Hi there, my name's Tom Morley, I'm 34 and I'll be testing the Ryobi ONE 18 volt circular saw. The first few things I've noticed about this straight away are that it's very comfortable to hold, the ergonomics on it are great, and it's very adjustable. There's loads of different settings that you can do in it, which I really like. So a few of those features are that you can adjust the cutting height, and it's very clearly marked what mil you'll be cutting at. So you have 10 mil right the way down to 45 mil. I'll put it at 10 mil, but it's super simple. It has good resistance so it doesn't slip and slide everywhere as you're moving it around. On the front, you can change the cutting angle from 90 degrees right the way around to 50 degrees is the max that it goes to, which is great for doing those different angle cuts that you want to do. Again, some good resistance there, so you can do it with one hand, as you can see. And then the final one, which is actually one of my favorite ones, is it has basically a feature on it that enables you to cut a straight edge along a piece of wood. So this has ruler measurements on there in centimeters, so that you can set your guide and use that as an edge, so that you know as long as this edge is straight, you're going to be cutting a straight edge as well. So I'll set that at 6 centimeters. Just tighten this handle here. It also has a Hoover attachment option, so you can keep the mess down. I would definitely recommend wearing some safety glasses with this piece of kit. It's very powerful. A lot of debris flicks off it, as well as a lot of sawdust in the air, so lots of little things can get in your eyes, so make sure you're protected. My review is that it's awesome. It carries a big punch, it's got plenty of power to make all the cuts that you want to make. My actual favourite feature though is the way that you can adjust everything super quickly, super easily, because it all stays just stiff enough that it stays in place whilst you're adjusting. It's got enough resistance there that it stays in place whilst you're making your adjustments, making it really quick to make little adjustments and do several different types of cuts one after the other. All in all, I think it's an awesome product. It's definitely something that you should have in your shed or your garage.